Shares in Jounce Therapeutics plummeted upon the publication of an abstract for a Phase 1/2 trial of its first-in-class ICOS inhibitor JTX-2011, although the company says the drug showed evidence of efficacy. Jounce was down around 30% pre-market as investors digested the preliminary data from the ICONIC trial, which is comparing JTX-2011 on its own and in combination with Bristol-Myers Squibb's checkpoint inhibitor Opdivo, nivolumab, in ICOS-positive tumors, including gastric cancer, triple-negative breast cancer, TNBC, head and neck squamous cell cancer, HNSCC, and non-small cell lung cancer, NSCLC. According to the abstract data, which was current as of January 27, so may be different when presented at ASCO on June 2, there was one partial response out of 7 gastric cancer patients when JTX-2011 was given as a monotherapy, while 2 out of 5 patients with TNBC had stable disease. When paired with Opdivo, there were 2 partial responses in 2 patients with stable disease out of 19 patients, and just 1 partial response out of 15 TNBC patients. Biopharma is a fast-growing world where big ideas come along daily. Our subscribers rely on Fierce Biotech as their must-read source for the latest news, analysis and data in the world of biotech and pharma. Sign up today to get biotech news and updates delivered to your inbox and read on the go. While Jounce's Chief Medical Officer Elizabeth Trehu, MD, says the data demonstrated evidence of biologic activity in tumor reductions in heavily pre-treated patients who have failed all available therapies, investors were nevertheless clearly spooked by the data. The scale of their reaction no doubt reflects the importance of JTX-2011 to the Cambridge, Massachusetts-based biotech's $2.6 billion immuno-oncology alliance with Celgene, heading for its 2nd anniversary next month. JTX-2011 is a monoclonal antibody that specifically targets ICOS, a T-cell surface protein that is thought to ramp up the response of T effector cells while damping down the activity of T regulatory cells, a bit like simultaneously pressing the accelerator and releasing the brake on the immune system. The drug was well tolerated in the study, according to the abstract, and Jounce is also encouraged by data showing that T-cell subgroups expressing ICOS can be detected. That could be a biomarker for response in future trials. Ahead of the publication of the abstract, Jounce said that the objectives of the trial were to show an acceptable safety profile, both monotherapy and combo, demonstration that the drug has activity and a relationship to a biomarker. It said it has hit enrollment targets in the other portions of the study, including the HNSCC and NSCLC cohorts, and is on track to start an arm combining JTX-2011 with a CTLA-4 inhibitor later this year. Clinical and preclinical data suggest that ICOS mediates anti-CTLA-4-driven anti-tumor responses. It is also expecting to file for approval to start Phase 1 trials of PD-1 inhibitor JTX-4014 before the end of 2018.